Drishti IAS in this program, Places in News brings to you a pioneering initiative. By using maps, we aim to make it simpler for you to learn about geographical locations of important places that have been in news in the recent past. We will be covering 5 places for this session. They are Myanmar, China, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, and France. Let's have a deeper look into each of these places and see why they have been in news.
The first place in news is Myanmar. Myanmar has been in news for last couple of years because of the persecution of Rohingyas, a religious minority community belonging to its Rakhine state. Naypyidaw is the capital of Myanmar. In the national flag, the yellow represents solidarity, the green symbolizes peace, tranquility, and lush greenery. The red represents courage and determination, and the white star at the center stands for the significance of the union of the country. Burmese kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Following the Third Anglo-Burmese War, Burma became a province of British India, which was separated from India in 1937 and made a crown colony. Burma came under Japanese influence during World War II. However, after defeat of Japan in 1945, the region was again controlled by Britishers. Eventually, it gained independence in 1948 from the British. In 1989, the new military regime changed the country's name from the Union of Burma to the Union of Myanmar, and the capital Rangoon was renamed as Yangon. In 2005, the military government moved the administrative capital to the newly built city Naypyidaw. After a military coup in 1962, Myanmar was under the military junta rule till 2011. A gradual liberalization led to free elections in 2015, and thereby a government was installed on the behalf of the National League for Democracy, led by veteran leader Aung San Suu Kyi. Myanmar is bordered by China to the north and northeast, Laos to the east, Thailand to the southeast, the Andaman Sea and Bay of Bengal to the south and southwest, Bangladesh to the west, and India to the northwest. From north to south, the Patkai Range, Naga Hills, and Chin Hills form the border between India and Myanmar. To the south of these are the Rakhine Mountains or Arakan Mountains. The major rivers of Myanmar are Irrawaddy, Salween, and Yangon. Myanmar is a member of Mekong Ganga Cooperation, established in 2000, comprising 6 members, namely India, Thailand, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam. It is to be noted here that River Mekong, originating in Tibet Plateau, flows through Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Myanmar is a member of Asian Development Bank and South Asia Sub-Regional Economic Cooperation or SASEC. The Kaladan Multimodal Transit Transport Project connects Indian seaport of Kolkata to Sitwe seaport in Rakhine state of Myanmar via sea. In Myanmar, it will then link Sitwe seaport to Paletwa in Chin state and then from Paletwa to Mizoram. China has a presence in Myanmar's Kyakpyu port, situated in the Bay of Bengal. It considerably comes under China's String of Pearls doctrine. Aung San Suu Kyi from Myanmar was awarded with Nobel Peace Prize in 1991 for her non-violent struggle for democracy and human rights.
Looking at the next place in news, that is China. Recently, the 16th meeting of the foreign ministers of Russia, India, and China, or the RIC meeting, took place in China. RIC meeting is important as the 3 countries carry important voices in international politics and have the potential to significantly influence world events. The capital of China is Beijing or Peking. The red color of the Chinese flag symbolizes revolution, and the yellow color of the stars represents the golden brilliant rays radiating from the vast red land. The design of 4 smaller stars surrounding a bigger one signifies the unity of the Chinese people under the leadership of the Communist Party of China. The currency of China is yuan or renminbi. Chinese history is divided into dynasties, each of which marks the period when a line of emperors ruled. The imperial rule ended with the outbreak of revolution in 1911, led by Sun Yat-sen. This was followed by the establishment of Republic of China. In 1931, during the Second World War, Japan invaded China or Manchuria. After Japan was defeated in the war, a civil war erupted in China between the nationalists and the communists. Eventually, the communist government was set up in 1949 by Mao Zedong, proclaiming the founding of the People's Republic of China. Presently, China is a one-party state ruled by the Communist Party of China, although there are other democratic parties which are represented at the annual meetings of the country's legislature. Afghanistan, Bhutan, Myanmar, India, Kazakhstan, North Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Mongolia, Nepal, Russia, Tajikistan, Vietnam, and Pakistan through the POK are the bordering countries of China. China's coasts are on the East China Sea, Korean Bay, Yellow Sea, and the South China Sea. China has two special administrative regions, namely Hong Kong and Macau. The island province of Taiwan, which is separated by the Taiwan Strait from mainland China, has been under separate administration since 1949. Roughly one-third of China's total area consists of mountains. Some important ranges being the Altai Mountains, Tian Shan Mountains, the Kunlun Mountains, the Karakoram, the Himalayas, and the Kinling Mountains. The tallest mountain on earth, Mount Everest, sits on the border between China and Nepal. In the west, there is the Tibet Plateau, the world's largest and highest plateau. The Gobi Desert runs west to east along the border with Mongolia. The Taklamakan Desert lies in the western China. The Yangtze and the Yellow are the two important rivers of China. The Yangtze River is Asia's longest and the world's third longest river. With a population of more than 1.4 billion, China has more people than any other country on earth. It is the fourth largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, and USA. China is involved in a complex dispute with Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan, Vietnam, and possibly Brunei over the Spratly Islands in the South China Sea. China also occupies the Paracel Islands, which are also claimed by Vietnam and Taiwan, and asserts a claim to the Japanese-administered Senkaku Islands in the Pacific Ocean. China's de facto administration of the Aksai Chin section of Kashmir, which is disputed by India and Pakistan, is the subject of dispute between China and India. Much of China's modern beliefs and philosophies are based on the teachings of Confucius, who taught people the value of such things as morality, kindness, and education. The compass, gunpowder, the art of paper making, block printing, and sericulture were invented by the ancient Chinese, which have contributed immensely to the progress of mankind. The Great Wall and the Grand Canal are some of the important engineering feats built by Chinese people. The Great Wall, one of the 7 wonders of the world, is actually a series of non-contiguous walls, forts, and other defensive structures built or rebuilt during the rule of various dynasties. The giant panda are found in China and nowhere else on earth. The Forbidden City, an imperial palace complex in Beijing, was commissioned during the Ming Dynasty. It was so named because access to the area was barred to most of the subjects of the realm.
The next place that we will be discussing is Saudi Arabia. Recently, Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia visited India. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. In the national flag, green field symbolizes Islam, and the Arabic inscription translates, "There is no God but God. Muhammad is the prophet of God." A sword in the flag stands for strictness in applying justice. Saudi Riyal is the currency of Saudi Arabia. Wahhabism, an ultra-conservative form of Islam, emerged in Saudi Arabia during 18th century. It is reflected in Sunni form of state religion. Ibn Saud, a tribal and Muslim religious leader, united his lands as the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia in 1932. Saudi Arabia is a totalitarian absolute monarchy, with Sharia being its primary source of legislation. The government is dominated by the vast royal family. The country occupies about 4/5 of the Arabian Peninsula. It is bordered by Jordan, Iraq, and Kuwait to the north, by the Persian Gulf, Qatar, and UAE and Oman to the east, by Yemen to the south and southwest, and by the Red Sea and the Gulf of Aqaba to the west. The desert Rub al-Khali, which lies in the southern part of the country, is the largest area of continuous sand in the world. A smaller sand area, called Al-Nafud, is located in the north-central part of the country. There are virtually no permanent surface streams in the country, but wadis, or dry river beds that contain water only when heavy rainfall occurs, are numerous. Saudi Arabia is the second largest producer and largest exporter of petroleum. Saudi Arabia has the second largest amount of proven oil reserves in the world. Saudi Arabia is a founding member of OPEC, or Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, and is also a member of Gulf Cooperation Council. Saudi Arabia is the founding member of Arab League. It is a regional organization of Arab states founded in 1945, which aims to strengthen and coordinate the political, cultural, economic, and social programs of its members. Mecca and Medina are two most important Muslim pilgrimage centers located in Saudi Arabia. Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born and lived in Mecca. He spent few years of his life in Medina also.
Moving to the next place, that is Nigeria. Nigeria's president has been re-elected for a second term, ensuring political continuity in the country, leaving behind the uncertainties of repeated military coups that marred its immediate post-colonial history. Its capital is Abuja. The green color in the Nigerian flag represents the forests and the abundant natural wealth of the country, whereas the white stands for peace and unity. The currency of Nigeria is Naira. In 1600s, many Africans became victims of the European slave trade. In the 1800s, the British defeated many of Nigeria's tribal kingdoms and created the colony of Nigeria. They ruled the country until 1960. Nigeria is located in West Africa on the Gulf of Guinea and shares borders with Cameroon in the east, Chad in the northeast, Niger in the north, and Benin in the west. It has one of the largest river systems in the world, including the Niger Delta, which is the third largest delta on earth. In the northeast, rivers drain into Lake Chad, which Nigeria shares with Niger, Chad, and Cameroon. Often called the giant of Africa, Nigeria is the most populous country on the African continent and has one of the largest economies in Africa. The former British colony is one of the world's largest oil producers, but few Nigerians, including those in oil-producing areas, have benefited. Nigeria has the highest burden of malaria globally and the second largest number of people living with HIV globally. Nigeria is a member of the African Union, Non-Aligned Movement, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, African Development Bank, and the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, which provides collective voice to the Muslim world to safeguard and protect their interests. Boko Haram, a militant Islamic group in Nigeria, is fighting to overthrow the government and create an Islamic state in the country as well as neighboring states. Boko Haram promotes a version of Islam which makes it haram or forbidden for Muslims to take part in any political or social activity associated with Western society. Boko Haram regards the Nigerian state as being run by non-believers, regardless of whether the president is Muslim or not.
The last place that we'll be discussing is France. Recently, France has been in news because of its Yellow Vest movement protesting against hikes in fuel prices in the country. The protesters have adopted the high-visibility yellow jackets that the French law requires all motorists to carry as a symbol of their protest. Also, the Indian government's 2016 Rafale fighter jet deal with France has come under controversy due to allegations of corruption. The capital of France is Paris. In the national flag of France, the white field represents the color of the Bourbon royal house, and the red and blue were the colors of Paris. Sometimes, the three colors are taken to represent three elements of revolutionary motto, where blue stands for freedom, white for equality, and red for brotherhood. The currency of France is euro. Several wars were fought over who would rule France, including the 100 Years' War. In 1789, the French Revolution began, eventually ending in the overthrow of the monarchy. In 1804, Napoleon crowned himself as the Emperor of French Empire, but was eventually defeated in Battle of Waterloo in 1815. France later suffered great losses in both World War I and World War II. It has since emerged, though, as an important and prosperous world power. France is the largest country in Western Europe and third largest in Europe after Russia and Ukraine. France is bordered on the northeast by Belgium and Luxembourg, on the east by Germany, Switzerland, and Italy, on the south by the Mediterranean Sea, Spain, and Andorra, on the west by Bay of Biscay, and on the northwest by the English Channel. Monaco is an independent enclave on the south coast. French Guiana is an overseas territory of France located on the northeastern coast of South America. Besides, Reunion Island is also an overseas territory of France located in western Indian Ocean. It is located east of Madagascar and southwest of Mauritius. The important mountain ranges of France are Alps, Pyrenees, and Vosges. The Pyrenees form a high wall between France and Spain. The major rivers of France are the Seine, the Loire, the Rhone, and the Rhine. Paris is located on the bank of River Seine. According to IMF's World Economic Outlook, French economy is the sixth largest after the US, China, Japan, Germany, and India. France plays an influential global role as a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, NATO, the G7, the G20, and the European Union. France is a major energy and defense partner of India. France unveiled International Solar Alliance with India in 2015. The Jetapur nuclear power plant in Maharashtra is a proposed nuclear power plant to be built with French cooperation. The Indian Air Force fighter plane Mirage 2000 was developed in France. Montesquieu, Voltaire, and Rousseau were the famous French philosophers of 18th century Enlightenment.
That is all for this session of Places in News. See you next time with a new set of places.